Welcome back to the channel, CryptoTro. I am CryptoTro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies for beginners. And today, the major announcement, Tron has finally dropped this major announcement, man. And I know I made a short about it a couple of days ago, but they finally dropped this major announcement. And I believe it's going to lead to more and more people in the United States starting to invest in Tron. Because right now we see majority of Tron investors are in, Asia and that parts of the world. But with this new information, this will bring more people from the US onto Tron's blockchain. We know Tron is one of the fastest growing blockchains that's out right now. So I'm very excited to see what entering the US market will do for Tron. But before we get into that news, man, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Also, follow me on Twitter, Tro_crypto. And you can just, search on Twitter, CryptoTro, and it's going to pop right up, man. And if you want to contact me directly, it's easier to do so on Twitter. On YouTube, it's hard to get to all the comments because people comment on different videos at different times. So if you want to contact me directly, follow me on Twitter. I answer straight away, DM me, at me, whatever the case may be, just get at me, man. So CryptoTro, I'm going straight in just like this. We're going to talk about Tron and what Tron is doing. So let's get into it. So we see, man, currently Tron is ranked 26 out of the top 100. It's down like one position, but that's cool. Those positions fluctuate, but I'm still glad that we're in, the top 30 right now. And we see the prices at 10 cents, almost at 11 cents, but it's down 10% on the day. So I guess a lot of people sold the news, but that's okay because we're going to see the long-term effects of this news that just announced. So we see how the market cap is at $7.5 billion, down 10%. And then the fully diluted market cap is at 10.6 billion, down 10%. And then the volume is 2.5 billion, up 10%. So I love to see that volume, man. Tron has so many stable coins, so a lot of people transact on Tron, for the low fees and the fast transaction speeds. And it makes it one of those ecosystems that a lot of people use just because of their use case. And I always say, man, it's gonna be a cross-chain world. And I always look to different cryptos that's looking to plan out different cross-chain things. And what Tron is doing, especially with the upcoming BitTorrent chain and the EVM system, I'm excited to see what's next for Tron. So let's get into this news today, man. So Tron is pleased to announce the launch of Valkyrie Tron Trust with our strategic Valkyrie funds investment on September 17, 2021. This is the initial step in our upcoming initiatives and one more exciting news to be announced shortly. So this is the article, the entire article, Valkyrie and Tron Foundation to launch Valkyrie Tron Trust. So Tron Foundation is pleased to announce the launch of Valkyrie Tron Trust by strategic partner Valkyrie Investments on September 17, 2021. Valkyrie Tron Trust is the first among a series of upcoming institutional grade fund offerings globally for the Tron crypto ecosystem. It is expected to start with 55 million in AUM on inception, with a plan to file for US listing in 2022. Justin Sun, founder of Tron, comments, Tron was incepted with the mission to decentralize the web. Tron is the layer 1 token. TRX is the layer 1 token of Tron network that powers the entire Tron ecosystem. This is the initial step in its upcoming strategic initiatives to be announced shortly. Valkyrie CEO Leah Wad comments, we are thrilled to work with Tron to launch the first Tron Trust in the US. Tron has established a reputation as the most inclusive blockchain with its energy efficient and low cost platform. Founded in 2018, Tron Network is the most popular blockchain platform in the world with a global user base exceeding 54 million and total crypto assets of 50 billion. In addition, it is home to the largest stablecoin circulation in USDT, which stands at 36 billion or over 50% of global market share. Valkyrie Investments is a US-based investment manager specialized in digital crypto assets. In addition to Tron Trust, it has previously filed to list Bitcoin Innovation Fund, as well as Bitcoin ETF, joining a slew of high-profile asset managers that filed with SEC for Bitcoin ETF this year. The firm has launched 4 crypto trusts, including Bitcoin, Tron, Algorand, and Polkadot. This news is major because, a lot of people want to play it safe. A lot of people don't want to get so deep into cryptos. They just want to be able to put their money in a trust, in a fund, and let it work for them, especially wealthy people. And once you see, not like no regular person is usually using like trust and funds. This is big money people. These are people who have a lot of capital and just sitting on their capital. By Valkyrie being in the US and being a US investment platform, this is going to add more people from the US and more big money movers. I'm talking about people who have millions of dollars to spare as liquidity. And I think that's going to be major moving forward, man. And we see in 2022, they plan to list it in the US, man. This is major. I'm telling you, if you don't know, these trust funds have so much money. I mean, not trust fund. These investment funds have so much money to spare. And there's going to be major just adding, trying to, part of that portfolio. So I'm very excited to see what this partnership and this opportunity will lead to for the Tron blockchain. And I always say in all of my videos, man, wait until Tron got into the US. That's a different story. We already know the Asian markets is way ahead of us on cryptos already. So Tron is already building in that, space over there already. But now we see Tron is trying to pierce that US market. And there's so much opportunity in there because that is not where majority of the wallets are. So I'm very excited to see what's in store for that. Another thing Tron is doing, and NX Finance is pretty much now supporting Tron on their lending platform. So you can supply Tron to NX Finance lending to earn interest in return. So this is major as well, man. Now you can actually let your Tron work for you and earn a passive income. I did it on the Just Lend platform, but I'm gonna see what the NX Finance is talking about as well. I might be doing a Web 3.0 on NX Finance just to, see what it is and supply some Tron and see if I can make some gains off of my Tron, man. So this is major, having a lending platform on Tron, another lending platform that allows you to supply and also receive Tron if necessary. So I'm very bullish on Tron from this information. And this is not financial advice whatsoever. This is just me talking about a crypto that I'm passionate about, a crypto that I have in my portfolio. But always make sure you do your own research on everything. You never want to follow anybody down just a rabbit hole and you don't know what's going on. So I did my own research on Tron and I saw the statistics. I like what they were doing. And if I ever change my mind, then it's nothing to it but to do it. I can sell it off or do whatever the case might be. But all of my projects right now that I hold are at least like 1 year holds, 1 to 2 year holds, just to see what they're going to do. We're not jumping in and out of things. We want to see the development of it because cryptos is still in the early stages, man. Don't let anybody tell you, don't get it twisted. We are just getting started. And, the younger, the better, and I'm not saying that you can be any age. Crypto can change your life. But what I'm saying is right now, a lot of people don't even recognize what's going on. So the earlier you are to cryptos, the more information you will have in the future. And whatever you want to do with the information, start a business, build wealth, whatever the case may be, you have that upper hand because you had that time. And time is something we can't get back. We can always get money back, but time is something you can't get back. And by having that time, that upper hand, and putting in those hours learning about cryptocurrencies, that gave you more opportunities in the future. So like I said, this news is very exciting for Tron. I'm very excited to see what this next year has in store for the cryptocurrency. And that's pretty much my video for today, man. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Also, like I said, follow me on Twitter right now, Tro_crypto. That's how you get directly in contact with me if you ever needed, questions or wanted my thoughts about something. Hit me up on Twitter. That's the easiest way right now. So CryptoTro, that's my video for today. I'm out of here.